Good morning and welcome to Crazy Hair Friday.
Oh wow.
I had my beanie on this morning, so it's a little crazy. We only woke up at 9 o'clock, definitely the latest that we've woken up before. Oh, not before, on this trip. I think we were both just so exhausted. We went to bed at like 10:30 maybe and woke up at 9, so we had a good solid sleep. Both of us knocked out straight from when we went to sleep and only woke up at 9. Partially because it was kind of overcast this morning, so it didn't get bright in our tent. So I woke up and I was like, wow, it's already 9 o'clock, we should get going. And now it is 10 o'clock, we just packed up the whole campsite, did some admin, came and made coffee. Got ice, all of the admin things. And now we are heading off to Seattle. It's an 8-hour drive, but we have a place to stay tonight, which is the best part. One of Quint's friends has graciously offered.
Not really. I was like, hey, I texted her yesterday and I was like, hey, I know I said we wanted to go for hikes, but did I mention that we want to stay with you? And she's like, I figured, come anytime.
Anyway, point is, we know we have a place to stay tonight, so that's the best part, so we can push through the 8 hours of driving. It is a lot, but to know that we can just crash at the end of it and then tomorrow we can have more of a chill day is pretty nice. So today's vlog probably isn't going to be much, just driving ready, but that's life. Round 3, let's go.
I feel like we've been eating this for like ever, but I'm not mad about it.
It has been about 5 hours of driving now, and we are in Washington State, which means we are officially on the other side of the country. But I guess we'll be officially on the other side when we get to the beach in Washington. But we're probably about like another 4 hours away from Seattle, so still got quite a bit to go, but we're clearly stopping for lunch, just having a bit of a break, and then we'll be back on the road again. Probably like half an hour into Washington, and already we can see the effects of all the wildfires on the west coast. Just it's so hazy and so smoky around here, so just another point for climate change, continuing from yesterday's video. And I'm sure as we get even further to the coast, we're just going to see even more haze and more smoke throughout the trip. So sad times, but we are literally seeing the effects right now. We have made it to Seattle. Too bad we can't see anything because it's all covered in smoke. That's the sunset. And also we are back at Costco once again to fill up on gas and also get some warming. I was gonna say like housewarming gifts, but it's not that. I guess just like thanks for having us gifts for our host. Getting all the things. So we're going up to the partner right now. I'm not going to vlog that, just out of privacy. Probably going to end the day as well. We're just going to have dinner, chill, and then go to bed.
And do laundry.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Good night.